Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this video I am going to give you information about how to set up Angular in Windows. So for that you have to download Node.js and Angular CLI in your machine. To download the Node.js you have to go to on that Node.js website. Okay, here you have to add a LTS version. You can find two version over here, which is one is the LTS and one is the current version. LTS version is the completed version and current version is the under development version. So we recommended to download the LTS version of Angular. I already downloaded this version in my machine. Let us install the Node.js in Windows. Here I am downloading the installing the Node.js. So we need to check if Node.js is installed or not. For that we have to open cmd command prompt. Over there you have one command, you have to write one command which is node-v. That means the version of the node. If node is successfully installed, then you can check the version of node over here. So we can see the version of Node.js which is v16.70.1. So and now and after this you have to install the Angular CLI, which is you have to install the globally. For that you can run this command Angular CLI install, which is npm install -g Angular CLI. To install Angular you have to open command prompt. Over here you have to paste this command over here and click on the enter. So we install the Angular CLI to check if it is installed or not. To check that we have command ng version. Okay, if you write ng version over here, you can see the version of Angular CLI, Node.js and package manager version and OS. Okay, you can see information of Angular CLI over here. And to check more it is also providing more commands. So to check that you can use this command ng-help. So over here you can use this command to check add the component or library in your project, to run the project, to update the project and test the project. There are a different command which you can use in your project. Okay, that's it for this session. So if you have any doubt to install Angular in your machine in Windows, please comment below and we will see you in the next session.